In this video, I'll show you where to get coupons for Dollar General. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, I'm going to jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and now inside Google, what you want to type in is coupons for Dollar General, and then hit enter. And if I scroll down here, you have third-party sites offering different coupon deals. So you got Groupon.com. If I scroll down, you got Coupon Follow, etc. So you can check out any one of these sites to get coupon deals. So for this one here, I'm going to check out couponfollow.com. And if I scroll down, you can see all the different offerings they have. So as you can see, save 11% off, get $5 discount on $25 purchase. So yeah, you can activate any one of these deals by clicking onto it. So for demonstration, to save 11% off, I'm going to click onto it. And now I'm going to click on copy this code here, and then I'm going to paste this code at the checkout section of Dollar General to save 11% off. These sites do change daily or weekly, so you can check out their different coupon promo code deals that they will have.